Welcome to Kids Education Channel. Where is my book? It's in the bag. How are you? I am good. Where you live? I live in UAE. How old are you? I am 10 years old. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have two sisters. What is your favorite sports? My favorite sports is badminton. Do you like pancakes? Yes, I love pancakes. What is your favorite fruit? I like mangoes. What do you do? I work as a teacher. Can we take a break now? Yes, let's take 15 minutes. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. What is your favorite color? I like red color. What are you watching? We are watching a cartoon. Can you clean the table? Sure, I'll clean it. Where is the salt? It's in the cabinet. What time will you come back? I'll back by 6 p.m. What is your favorite food? I like noodles.
Wow.
Can you open the window? Sure, I'll. What is your favorite pet? I love cats. Did you feed the cat? Yes, I did. Did you turn off the fan? Yes, I did. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.